what we get asked is, how much is it to paint my Vespa stroke Lambretta? And it's not just painting. It's about stripping it down, sandblasting it, painting it properly. Not just the bodywork, but the forks as well. They've also got to be painted, so they're completely stripped and sandblasted and painted. Now, we don't have to rebuild your engine. If your engine's fine, we just take it out, clean it, set it to one side, and get on with the bodywork itself, which we hand over. We strip it, we hand it over to the London Scooter Body Shop, our in-house paint shop partnership here. And those guys get on with sandblasting, finding out what's really going on underneath all that thick paint or filler that's on your scooter. And then when they see what's really going on in the bare metal stage, then they make their repairs, either a new floor or cut out rust in the seams, or they need a new mudguard or a new side panel. Then they'll get that together, paint it, nice lovely paint job, and hand it over to us at Retrospective. The mechanics will have stripped the bike initially, ordered the parts that it needed, engine parts or fork parts or badges and trims and seats, so on. And then they would, while the paint shop was painting it, they would have had the engine reconditioned, and that would be sitting ready to be installed. They get the forks back and they'll build those first, the painted forks. Then all the trim and Teflon line cables, wiring loom and all that will be in stock. They will have ordered that ahead of themselves. Everything comes together pretty quickly then. So it's like it's a 2-3 month lull period where sort of seems that nothing's been happening, but obviously a lot of little bits and pieces have been going on. Parts have been ordered and we're waiting for them to come in. But then all of a sudden, everything's in stock. The painted chassis is ready to build and things can start happening. It would take the lads probably a week to 10 days to put it all together if they had everything. So it all sort of happens quite fast at the end of it. And all along, we are photographing every stage of the way. So as it come in, as it was stripped, as it was blasted, as it's been primed, and then the building stage. So you'll see it on a workbench, and the stand goes on, the forks go in, the trim goes on, the engine goes in, the handlebars go on, and everything starts to come together. And all those stages are photographed. And it's nice for the customer to see that coming together step by step. And, at the end, we do a little video on it, a lovely little photo shoot, a little run out, and test it, obviously. Give it a good old run around the block a few miles and get it fine-tuned and all good to go.